Hey, what's up y'all? So I'm going to do another tutorial. It's similar to my previous video, how to do the cover stitch from start to finish. So right now my pressure foot is up, and you see where the needle is. That's where you want your fabric to begin. So I'm going to take my fabric and I'm going to put it right underneath. Squeeze it up right where the needle is. See where the needle is, that's where my fabric is going to begin. And then I'm going to press my pressure foot down and I'm going to start to sew. Okay, as I'm finishing, I'm going to have another piece of fabric to keep it in place. But you know, I think with the cover stitch, it would not matter. But just to be on the safe side, I will just add in another piece of fabric. If you are having a hard time with the cover stitch, just add another fabric. Let's see, it did act up because the thread got loose because I did not attach it in time. So now I will have to re-thread it. But normally, just like my previous video, what happened, I did not, you see the gap between the first and second fabric? That's why the thread break. It did break. So next time you want to do it like a little close to each other so the thread won't break as you stitch it. Okay? So I want to show you what it looked like. See the back with cover stitch. Let me see. It looked like, I don't know how the thread got out the hole. I really don't, but it's out the hole because I didn't put the fabric close together enough. So I'm just gonna re-thread it. Oh, it broke. That's how I got out the hole. It broke because I didn't put it close enough. So you just re-thread your machine. Well, let's try this again. So I'm gonna cut this fabric and do it the right way this time, so the thread won't break. Okay, it's stitching, so I'm gonna overlap it a little bit. And you see, the thread did not break. So I'm going to cut it. Okay, I'll cut a big chunk. Just leave it. So, see how it looks. Look at the back. And that's when we started to continue, because the thread break in the beginning. And you can see how it continued towards the end. And that's how you will want it if you don't want your thread to break. Every time you finish, you will have to add another fabric underneath it, and to overlap it. All right, so I hope that was helpful. So I'll see y'all later.